Hi children, today topic is fractional numbers. In the fractional numbers, what is a fraction? Fraction means is a part of a whole. Means the whole is divided into all equal parts. Okay, see, then suppose for example one circle, in that circle we are dividing into the 4 equal parts. This one we have to write as 1 by 4. In that 1 by 4, 1 we will call numerator, then 4 we will call denominator. Okay, already this topic I explained in before class only, this time reminding. After this one is a upper number should be numerator, down we will call is a denominator. Next one is types of fractions. Types of fractions. First one is a like fraction. The types of fraction. First one is a like fraction. Like fractions means what? The group of fractions all are having same denominators. The group of fractions all are having same denominators means 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 9 by 8, 6 by 8, 11 by 8, up to so on and how to write. Means what? Comparing all the denominators should be compulsory. See, these type of fractions we will call like fractions. Second one is unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means what? The group of fractions are having different numerators and different denominators. In the group of fractions are having different numerator and different denominators means here 3 by 8, 6 by 2, 4 by 5, 10 by 8 or 11 by 12 like that. The group of fractions all are having different numerator and different denominator. Next, third one is unit fraction. Unit fractions, unit means ones. The group of fractions are having all the numerators should be compulsory 1. Numerator should be compulsory 1. Those type of fractions we will call unit fractions. Means 1 by 3, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 2, 1 by 20 like that. All should be compulsory. Numerator is same. Numerator is same. The next one, proper fraction. Next one is proper fraction. In the proper fraction, is numerator is a smaller than the denominator. Numerator is the smaller than the denominator. Compulsory is denominator is bigger. Suppose for example 1 by 8, 3 by 10, 2 by 3, 4 by 9 like that. Compulsory compare it. Numerator and denominator compare it. Compulsory should be these are all denominators are bigger than the numerator. Compulsory numerator is a small. The next one, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fractions means the group of fractions the here numerator is bigger. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. 3 by 2, 6 by 3, 4 by 3, 10 by 9 means compulsory numerator is bigger than the denominator. These are the 5 types of fraction. One is like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, proper fraction and improper fraction. Only definition already I explained before class I gave. Now today next one more it will be equivalent fraction. Means what? What is the equivalent fractions? Equivalent what is the equivalent fractions? What is the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions means what? The fractional value, the fractional numbers are different. The fractional numbers are different, but the value of the fractional number is same. The value of the fractional number is same. Suppose for example, see here 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6, 4 by 8. See here the fractions are different values are there, different numerators and different denominators are there, but the value of the fractions are, it will be same. Means see here this value should be is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 here. Then see children, you have cancellation in numerator and denominator. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Means it will be 1 by 2. 2 by 4 value also we got 1 by 2. 3 by 6 means 3 1s are 3 2s are. We got here 1 by 2. Next here 4 by 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are 1 by 2. So this value is 1 by 2 only. Then 2 by 4 value also 1 by 2 only. 3 by 6 also 1 by 2 only, 4 by 8 also 1 by 2. This group of fractions value whenever we are cancelling, whenever we are writing the shorter form, then the value of the fractional numbers is same. These type of fractions we will call is a equivalent fraction. See children, compulsory should be how to, whenever it will be where cancellation compulsory is divided by the same numbers. See here divided by 2, here also divided by 2. Same should be compulsory, we are dividing the fractional numbers. Okay, suppose for one more example, if they write the equivalent fractions of 3 by 5, write more equivalent fractions of the 3 by 5. How to write the equivalent fractions of the given fractional numbers? Suppose for example I am writing about the 3 by 5. How to it will be 3 by 5? Okay, see whenever we are writing equivalent fractions, compulsory should be multiply with the same number, numerator to numerator and the denominator to denominator. Okay, what I am saying understood? Should be compulsory whenever we are writing the equivalent fractions of the given fractional number, should be compulsory multiply the same number to the numerator to numerator and the denominator to denominator. See here, suppose for example 3 by 5, here 1 by 1 I am multiplying. Next second one 3 by 5 into 2 by 2. See same number we have to. Next 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 2 by 2. Next 3 by 5 into 3 by 3. Next here 3 by 5 into 4 by 4. If you, how many you need? Same. Otherwise see here 3 by 5 into 10 by 10. 3 by 5 into 20 by 20. All these we have to compulsory. Should be numerator to numerator. It will multiply with the same numbers. We have to multiply. We will get the whatever fractional numbers. All the fractional numbers we will call is a equivalent fraction of the 3 by 5. See 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5. Next 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Next 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. Next 3 10s are 30, 5 10s are 50. 3 20s are 60, 5 20s are 100. See here 3 by 5, 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20. Next 30 by 50, 60 by 100. These all the fractional numbers we will call equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. Equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. If he is asking another fractional number, 5 by 8 is there. He is asking 5 by 8. Write 5 equivalent fraction of 5 by 8. Means what? We have to multiply them with the numerator and denominator with the same digit. With the same digit, you will get the equivalent fractions. Okay, children? Thank you.